Sabre GDS Honest Review. Watch before using. If you've ever wondered how airlines, hotels, and travel agencies manage reservations so seamlessly, the answer often lies in a global distribution system, or GDS. Sabre is one of the largest GDS platforms, but is it really as reliable and efficient as people say? You won't believe what happens behind the scenes. Sabre GDS connects airlines, hotels, car rental services, and travel agents in a single network. It allows travel professionals to book flights, check seat availability, manage itineraries, and even compare pricing across multiple providers instantly. The surprising truth is that most travelers interact with Sabre without even knowing it. Every time you book a flight online, it may route through Sabre. For example, a travel agent using Sabre can see hundreds of flights from dozens of airlines in seconds, making it easier to find the best options for clients. They can also access pricing rules, loyalty programs, and fare restrictions directly through the system. Sabre isn't just for airlines. Hotels, rental car companies, and tour operators also benefit by distributing inventory globally. This helps smaller operators reach markets they wouldn't be able to on their own. However, there are some limitations. Sabre can be complex to navigate, especially for new agents, and training is often required. Additionally, service fees and subscription costs can be high for smaller travel agencies. Most people get this wrong. They assume GDS platforms are simple to use, but there's a steep learning curve. In conclusion, Sabre GDS is a powerful tool for travel professionals, enabling fast, comprehensive booking and management, but it requires investment in training and ongoing support. If you work in travel or plan to become a professional agent, understanding Sabre can give you a major advantage. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of travel technology and tools you need to know about.